Hey guys, what's up? We all know that managing curly hair can be really tough sometimes, and our hair needs that extra attention and care compared to straight hair. To make that process a little easy for my curly haired friends, here are some do's and don'ts. But before I get into the video, make sure to subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel and ring the bell icon for further notifications. So the first thing to do to maintain and style curly hair is to switch to a sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner. Because sulfates are harsh ingredients commonly found in traditional shampoos that can strip the hair of its natural oils, leaving it dry, brittle and prone to breakage. And since curly hair is naturally more prone to dryness and frizz because of its structure, using products that have sulfate in them makes curly hair all the more frizzy and difficult to maintain. So all the curly hair girls like me switch to sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner, as that can help to maintain moisture levels in the hair, preventing dryness and frizz. Which is why my go-to shampoo and conditioner is the BeBeautiful Curls Sulfate-Free Hydrating Shampoo and Conditioner. It's enriched with dry moisture essence such as glycerine, which maintains moisture in the hair, thus reducing dryness and frizziness. Aloe extracts that help with moisture absorption and retention, and shea butter that keeps the moisture locked inside the strands. So be rest assured that your driest of the curls will be drenched in these moisturizing ingredients. Also, after shampooing, make sure to follow up with a conditioner because curly hair tends to be drier than straight hair. The natural oils produced by the scalp have a harder time traveling down to the hair shaft in curly hair, leading to dryness and frizz. Conditioning helps to replenish moisture to the hair and keeps it hydrated, which can help prevent breakage and split ends. Also guys, if you want to watch a curly hair routine, then tap on the eye icon on the top right. The next thing to do to style curly hair is to use a curl defining gel. A curl defining gel will enhance the natural pattern of the hair by encouraging curl formation, allowing them to be the best version of themselves. So it's important to use a good curl defining gel that will moisturize from the inside and out. And the nature of the ingredients will affect how well it does this. Which is why I like to use the BeBeautiful Curls Curl Defining Gel. Just pump some amount of curl defining gel and apply it on damp, not wet hair, scrunching it in an upward motion. Then just allow the curls to air dry and watch how bouncy it looks. It is infused with the goodness of glycerine, coconut oil and aloe vera, which helps your hair to stay soft. It helps bring back the moisture to dry and frizzy hair and lends luster to dry locks. Plus it is also free of harsh chemicals that would otherwise dry it out. After applying the curl defining gel, it's important to dry the hair, which brings me to my third do's of styling curly hair, and that is blow drying the hair, but with the help of a diffuser. Blow drying alone often messes up with the natural pattern of your curls, so to enhance the curls and completely dry them, add a diffuser to your blow dryer. Using a diffuser separates curls into perfect spirals and also helps hair dry faster. The second don't is do not brush them when dry. Trust me, I've done it and it only leaves you with a frizzy mess. So your best bet to maintain your curls is to use a white tooth comb while you condition in the shower. Which means no combing after you've washed your hair, as you don't want to end up with dry, frizzy looking hair. If you ever want to detangle, just wet your hair and run your fingers through it. Then let it dry naturally. The next don't is to not sleep on a cotton pillow. Yes, that's correct. Sleeping on a cotton pillowcase can cause friction and rough up the hair cuticle, leading to frizz and breakage for curly hair. Cotton pillowcases can also absorb moisture from the hair, which can leave your curls dry and brittle. To protect your curly hair while you sleep, switch to a silk or satin pillowcase. These fabrics are smoother and gentle on your hair, reducing the likelihood of frizz and breakage. Silk and satin also don't absorb moisture from your hair, helping to keep your curls hydrated and healthy. You can also use a satin or silk hair cap or a bonnet to help protect your curls while you sleep, so you wake up with beautiful defined curls the next morning. And the last don't while styling curly hair is to avoid doing tight hairstyles. Whether you're braiding, twisting, or simply making a bun or a ponytail, always ensure to wear your hairstyles loose. Tight hairstyles can cause tension on your scalp and make it hurt and tender. They can also pull all your hair and cause them to break. Also, avoid using rubber bands for updos as they tear, break, or snag on your strands. Instead, opt for satin or silk elastic bands. They are so much in trend right now. While styling your curly hair can be a hassle sometimes, following this do's and don'ts guide can make it a lot easier. Time for me to go, but before that, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel and ring the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Bye!